My dear gardeners, welcome back to the channel. Today we will talk about something that every gardener should know: how to properly feed tomatoes and at the same time protect them from diseases. If you have ever wondered why your tomatoes are lagging behind in growth, their leaves turn yellow or their fruits crack, stay until the end, because I reveal a powerful, homemade recipe that will make your tomatoes healthy, strong and resistant to diseases. Let's go to our video, and we suggest you not to waste money on unhealthy chemicals, because natural methods for protecting tomatoes are all around us. So subscribe to our channel and press the bell. Thank you, dear gardeners, for applying organic ingredients to your garden and thus protecting your health. And now let's go to our video. Tomatoes are one of the most demanding plants in the garden. In order to give a plentiful and high-quality crop, they need a lot of nutrients. But it is not enough just to water them. It is important to know what we are giving them. The most important thing for you to know is the following. Without proper feeding, the plants become weak, the fruits are small, and the immunity of tomatoes decreases. If tomatoes do not have enough minerals, they become susceptible to diseases such as blight and fruit rot. Improper fertilization can lead to an excess of nitrogen, which means that the tomatoes are blooming in the leaves, but there are no fruits. That's why today we will use a combination of natural ingredients that will strengthen the root and stem, prevent the occurrence of fungal diseases, increase fertility and improve the taste of fruits. Did you know that some of the tastiest tomatoes are grown with added sugar and natural fermented ingredients? That's the secret of experienced gardeners. And now, what you've been waiting for, this homemade recipe nourishes the plants and protects them from diseases. You need 1 spoon of sugar. Sugar feeds beneficial microorganisms in the soil. 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. Dry yeast stimulates growth and strengthens the plant. 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda prevents fungal diseases. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric, a natural antiseptic that protects leaves from infections, and 1 liter of lukewarm water. Mix all the ingredients and let it stand for 30 minutes. Then dilute with 10 liters of water and use to water or spray the leaves once every 10 days. Try this simple recipe and see how healthy and strong your tomatoes will be. Don't forget to like this video and send it to your friends on social networks. Thank you.